Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drawing pad for your laptop. First, connect your drawing pad to your laptop using the included USB cable. This is a simple plug-and-play process. Next, install the specific drivers from the manufacturer's website. These drivers are crucial for unlocking the full potential of your device, allowing for precise control and customization. Finally, configure the pen pressure sensitivity and button functions within the driver settings to suit your personal drawing style. Once your drawing pad is set up, it's time to start drawing. Hold the stylus just like a traditional pen, ensuring a comfortable and natural grip. The key is to look at your laptop screen as you draw, rather than directly at the pad. This takes a little getting used to, but it becomes second nature quickly. Begin by practicing simple strokes, lines, and basic shapes to build your muscle memory and familiarize yourself with the digital drawing experience. To truly enhance your drawing workflow, delve into the advanced features of your drawing pad. Many pads come equipped with customizable express keys, which you can program for quick access to frequently used tools like undo or zoom. Experiment with pen tilt recognition, if available, as this allows for more natural and expressive brushstrokes, mimicking traditional art mediums. Also, explore the vast array of brush settings within your chosen drawing software to achieve diverse artistic outcomes. Proper maintenance will extend the life of your drawing pad. Always keep both the pad surface and your stylus clean, using a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or smudges. Store your stylus safely when not in use, perhaps in a dedicated holder, to protect the delicate pen nib. Finally, make it a habit to regularly check for and install driver updates from your manufacturer. These updates often bring performance improvements and enhanced compatibility, ensuring your drawing experience remains seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.